Metro a million, told him not to quit. He still on his own, says Gucci really.
So wait, hold on. Is this a backyard? Alright, so you can go on my channel. You can see that I ain't even posted in like 3 weeks, bro. 3 weeks. But that's alright, cause we back in the vids, uploading and everything like that, you know. So yeah, but for this video, we about to be checking out this new house that Avakin put in the shop. Cause everybody was saying, talking stuff about this house, blah, 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 this and that. And I just want to see what's up with the house, you feel me? So we about to slide, cop this house, and we about to see what's up with it. So let's get into it. Alright, so we about to see what's up with this new house. About to cop it real quick. Let's go to shop, apartments. Boom. There go the house, looking all nice outside. Got the pool and everything all set up. Oh shit, we got the inside too. We see some of the inside. Okay, the kitchen look nice. Yeah, all that outside area. Yeah, bro. Yeah, huh? Yeah, let's buy this house. Cop real quick. Yes, sir. Enter new apartment. Yup. Now let's go ahead and slide real quick. About to see what's up. Alright. Okay, so we got right here. What's back? Wait, hold on. What's back here? Oh, nothing. Alright, so we just gonna start right here first. Okay, so this is a little fireplace. Dang, a lot of seats there. Dang, bro, that's more than people you can invite. Like, bro, why you need that much for? But, alright, whatever. Okay, so we got outside. Alright, we're just gonna see what's up with these pools real quick. Yup, pool be looking nice. Hold on, what's this right here? Oh, you can sit right there? Oh, for real? Okay, Avakin, I see you. Okay. And we got another pool. I think I saw another pool. Where that? Yeah, right here. It's another pool. Yeah, you already know. Another pool. We got 2 pools out here. Now we finna go. Bro, this pathway though. Alright, let's get my little reward. And let's see what's up out here. It's like a beach area. Sit right here, kick back, relax, whatever. Just chill out right there. Okay. Bro, I'm probably not even gonna change any of the outside. Cause the outside already look nice. Probably just gonna be changing the inside. Okay. So, this is the kitchen we saw on that picture on there. Okay. All right. So what's up over here? We got hallways and stuff. Wait, hold on. Is this a backyard? Yeah. Yeah, this is a backyard. Okay, this house ain't going too bad. Okay. Alright. Wait, is this a room right here? Yeah, it's a room. Okay. Hold on. See what's up in these rooms first. Okay, so this is like a shower. This is a bathroom. Right there. And I guess this is a bedroom. Yup, a bedroom. And you got out here too, bro. Wow. Okay. Okay, let's come back out here. And oh, this brought us upstairs. Oh, okay. And bro, I don't even know what this is called. All right, we just gonna call this the opening area, I guess. Bro, I don't know. I don't even know what that's called. Look down there, whatever. No. Okay, let's come right down here. All right. And Bro, I think that's it. Gone upstairs and everything. Wait, does this take us up? Yeah. Alright, well, shoot. I guess that's it. I mean, went upstairs and everything. But it ain't too bad, though. It ain't too bad. I probably use this house for something. I don't know. But, yeah.
Well, that nigga mad, guess because he got no bacon. He was acting savage, man, that nigga hella faking. Yeah, they